Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add authorized users to your Chase credit card via app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To do it, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Chase application and be sure to be logged into your account as well with your username and password and then tapping on sign in. Then once you're inside, what you need to do is from your home screen simply select the credit or debit card you want to add the user to, then tap the card to open the details. Then once you have opened the details and options, what you need to do is scroll down until you find account services. Then inside account services, what you need to do is tap on or select manage authorized users. If you don't see it, make sure your card allows authorized users. Some business cards or secret cards may not. Then next is to simply tap on add authorized user. Then once you tap on add authorized user, what you need to do now is you will need an activation code. Simply choose the method of contact like your email or your phone number which sends an OTP code, and then once that's done, what you need to do is enter the full name exactly as it appears on the ID, enter the date of birth and enter the address. Then lastly, double check all details, read the terms if you are responsible for all charges, and then simply tap on add user. Chase will mail the new card to the primary cardholder's address. The authorized user can start using the card once it arrives. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.